For daily hacks on the human body, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then tap the bell icon to be notified on our newest videos. Top 3 ways to get a guy to like you. If you have a crush on someone in your college or neighborhood and want to grab his attention, you need to understand how his mind works. Many women tend to put off men in their attempts to get them closer. If you don't want to face this predicament, read on to find out how to get a guy to like you with minimal effort. Number 1. Stepping out in style. Guys are usually visual creatures, so they notice your appearance first. You should make sure that you look your best when you are around your crush. The advantage of primping up is that when you look good, you feel good as well. This can enhance your confidence and allow your personality to do all the talking. Just a little makeup combined with comfortable clothes and a beautiful smile can work wonders. Guys always notice when you put in some extra effort. Number 2. Initiating a conversation. Introduce yourself to the guy you like with the help of mutual friends. Make your presence felt by greeting him every day. Keep your warmest smile reserved for your guy when you are in a group. The best way to start a conversation is to get the guy to talk about something he really loves. It can be sports, music, cars, or movies. All you need to do is listen and be genuinely interested. If you can find some common interests, use them as conversation starters. Becoming friends is the first step in building a successful relationship. Number 3. Having an opinion. When the guy asks you where you want to hang out and you have a definitive answer, it acts as a major turn-on. Guys like confident women who know what they want. Assert yourself subtly without seeming dictatorial. Setting up an equation in which you respect each other's choices is the best solution. Some more interesting ideas. Have a good sense of humor. Impress his friends. Flirt with your guy with a sassy smile, eye contact, or a casual touch. Compliment your guy on his achievements or interests. Do some activities together. Try out these ideas to get the guy hooked on you and enjoy the process of getting to know each other. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.